Currently 6:23. I've been trying to wake up at between like 6 and 6:30 because if I don't, I'll sleep way too long. But welcome to today's vlog. I really need to get a car tripod because it would be a lot easier. I got one for you. I got me and Alea some smoothies. I got a big one for myself because it's $5 Fridays. It's mango. And I got this one for Alea. I have been taking a break from social media. I have gone on TikTok a couple of times, but I don't really think that my TikTok is toxic, and so I don't really have a problem with it. I don't really think any of my social media is toxic. I just think that I wasn't spending any time doing anything other than scrolling on social media. Alea. Here, how about you just drink that? Always gotta stay prepared. It's been pretty good. I deleted it on Monday, I think, so almost on a week. We leave for our vacation tomorrow, so I am really excited to vlog that for you guys. We're going to Michigan and we're staying at Airbnb with some of my family. It's gonna be really fun, probably chaotic. We have family pictures. It's gonna be so nice and I'm really excited. We're staying from the 10th to, we're gonna leave on like the morning of the 15th. We wanted to come do a walk, so we're at this little lake that we can walk around, the trail that's around there. Yay! So yeah, we are about to go on a walk. Yes, that smoothie good. Oh, there's so many geese up here. There's seriously like 20. Ooh. What are you guys staring at? Oh my gosh, there's so many. So we are about to go back to a little park that it's not like attached to the lake, but it's the same. Like this is called something lake and that's called something park. They're the same something, if you get what I mean. Yay! 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 Oh, look at that face. Literally, you guys, look at these little feet and tell me that they do not look like little American Girl doll feet with these little shoes. You are so adorable. Yay. Hey party people, it's yellow light, I know. So I was gonna like start, since we're leaving tomorrow, I want to like kind of clean because I don't want to like come home from vacation to a messy place. I need to take a shower. So I think that I'm gonna shower and stuff first before I start doing stuff because I'm not gonna get like down and dirty. I just need to like fold, vacuum, do the dishes. I'm back. No, I didn't wash my hair. I'm about to try something. Hi.
You guys talked earlier.
I know, she's asleep. Hello. We are in the kitchen. I feel inspired to make some guacamole. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have a lime, 3 of these. We've got a tomato right here. I'm gonna do a jalapeno in there as well. I do wish that I had some cilantro, but that's okay. I don't think that I'm gonna explain what's happening. I think that I'm just gonna do what it do and let y'all watch. I'm actually gonna leave a pit in there because, you know, pits help it from getting brown / orange whenever, you know, the air hits it. I'm about to go literally veg out. I'm about to go smash this. Obviously, maybe not the whole thing. Maybe I will. Who cares? Who knows? I'm gonna go eat this and I'm gonna watch Shameless. So I just want to say, I don't know exactly why I thought that this was important to mention, but right now I'm not watching Shameless. I'm watching one of my favorite YouTubers. That's not like a mom. Her not being a mom has nothing to do with anything. I don't know why I just said that. But Nicole Rappy, yeah, let's focus on her cute face. Yeah, watch her freaking videos, okay? Watch them. She just speaks real stuff. Okay, I'm about to take these out, so let's see the results. They've been in for like 2.5 hours, so there's one side not so wavy in the back, but that's not really the part that I'm worried about. So here's our loose waves on one side. Okay, so this side is a little tighter, but let's do a little bit. Ooh, that does not look cute. Okay. Let's see how it looks in the actual mirror, because right now it's not looking too hot. Do I look kind of hot? No. I do look hot. Let me stop. Talk about no. Yes, this is my OOTD biker shorts and this little blue top. I have on this cute little pearly necklace and some hoopies. I wanted to give like kind of a little update on the niacinamide that I started using. Let's open this up a little. Some breakouts happening and like a little bit on my cheek, but I am attributing that more to like purging. Just got done doing some journaling. Cutie crystals. Alea is awake, so we're gonna go into her room and get her. Hi, how was your nap? Hi. Can we show your standing? Yeah, good job. Yay. Clap, clap, clap. Let's see. Yay. Can you show me your clapping? Yay. We do not have much more to do today except for chill, so not much action in the vlog. I'm so excited to see you guys in the next vlog. The next vlog will be the vacation vlog for our Michigan trip. I'm really excited and I would love to see you guys there on that video. I love you guys so much. Make sure that you guys hit the like button to let me know that you liked this video, and subscribe if you want to join the fam. Make sure to have your post notifications on so that you never miss any time that I post, and I will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, baby. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. I see your little hand go. Give them. Yeah.